I mean, what I think Nicol Insurance is that's maybe different is, I mean, in my opinion, we're a company that's kind of swimming upstream, right? In a world where you turn on your TV, you turn on your internet browser and you see endless insurance ads about saving 15%, save 20%, save 30%, go online here. We are kind of the anti that. We're still the people that are down the road from you that are there to not just get you that 15% cheaper, but in fact, get you the right thing for you, to listen to you, to have conversations with you about your family, about what's important to you, so that you can make educated decisions that at the end of the day, hopefully turn into good financial decisions, but also help you to know that you can sleep at night. So many people lose the fact when they go insurance shopping that what they're doing is protecting their family and their single biggest assets that they'll ever have in their life, right? And what gets lost is what would happen in the event of. And so it's really important that we have those discussions, because what's right for me isn't what's right for you. And cookie cutter ideas aren't the same. A lot of people think, well, I got a quote here and I got a quote there, and this one's cheaper, so that's where I should go. But what most people don't realize is an insurance policy is not an insurance policy, is not an insurance policy. There's many different factors that go into what's in a policy that change things dramatically. It's a product that's sold, that's a promise to be there when people need you. If you don't take the time to understand what people need, I don't know how you make the promise to be there when they need you. It's not like when you go to a hairdresser, as an example, and you go to a discount hair place and you get a haircut, or you go to a high-end salon and get a haircut, where you could look in the mirror and you can see that there's a difference in the product that you just got. Unfortunately, where you find out in our world, whether or not you got the product you thought you did, is on some of your worst days in your life. So our job is to talk with people. Our job is to still learn about them, to care about them, and to then sometimes have discussions with them that they don't like, because they're discussions that are real life situations that put them in a position where they have to actually think about, if this did happen, what do I want my family to be? How do I want things to be looked after? What is my expectation in that moment? And take it away from just the fact that, again, well, I could get it cheap online for 15% less, but do I really know whether or not that promise is going to be there? Like a contractor is another example too, right? Like the hairdresser, right? Like a contractor is the same thing. You hire somebody that's an odd job to build you a garage, or you hire somebody that's a licensed contractor, and you can actually, again, physically see. It's a challenge for our industry, is again, like, how many people have ever read their insurance policy? And even if they did, how the hell would they know what it meant? That's our job.